Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You open the camera app and go straight to photo mode. This starts the process. Press and hold the shutter button to capture a rapid sequence of frames. This is your burst. On newer iPhones with quick take behavior, hold the shutter and slide it left to lock continuous capture so you don't have to keep touching the screen. Do this when motion is unpredictable. Fast birds, kids, or action will yield more options to choose from later. Make sure the subject remains in frame while you burst. Once done, open Photos and locate the burst stack. Tap Select to view every frame. Swipe smoothly through the sequence and tap individual frames to mark favorites. You can pick multiples to save the best expressions or moments. Choosing frames narrows motion blur and fixes timing. That's why you captured many. When finished, press Done and pick Keep Only Favorites to discard extras, or keep everything if you want the full set. This saves storage and leaves you crisp final shots to edit. You finish by editing the frames you saved. Treat them as normal photos. Crop, adjust exposure, apply filters, or use advanced tools to fix motion blur and composition. Then export or share the selected images the same way you would any photo. They behave identically in messages, social apps, or backups. If burst capture doesn't work, check storage space, restart the camera app or phone, and update iOS. These steps resolve most problems. If still failing, toggle camera settings and retry. One simple reboot often fixes capture issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.